Once we have created our query and we've saved our query, so I've saved it as DOM1, we can then go and produce the report, and the report is going to format the data for either display on the screen or for printing, whichever you prefer. And we will always base our reports on a query. So to use the report function, go to create, and I prefer to use the report wizard. You'll find that the report wizard should be able to do 90% of the things you need it to do. So we're going to produce a report using the wizard, and the first thing you need to do is make sure that you select the source of your data. So we're going to use DOM1, and it shows me the data that we need there. Well, we need to see all of that, so I'm going to double click to make sure that we select all of that data. The next section allows us to add grouping levels, so this will split the data in the report up into groups depending upon what we select. So if you remember from the original spec, it said a list of all the gigs by genre, so we're going to select genre and we will use that as a grouping level. So that means I'll see all the easy listening, followed by all the hip hop, followed by all the pop, all the rock. We've then got some sorting options, so the next thing we need to do is sort it by date, because that was asked for. And as we click through, we've got some layout options. I'm going to leave it on this layout, but I'm going to go with a landscape option because it's often better to see the data. And you have a number of options here with regard to formatting to do with fonts. You probably won't want to do much of those because you'll probably need to put it into your own house style. And we'll just finish off by giving it a name, so we'll call it DOM1 report. And let's press finish and see what it comes up with. So it'll automatically preview the report, and as you can see, it's formatted for us. And that doesn't look too bad. There's a few things that we might need to do. So we've got some cutoff here where it's not showing the whole of the name, and this doesn't look much good there. So in order to format the report, if we click on close print preview, it gives us straight into the design view, and then we can adjust this. So we just need to give a little bit more space to the genre. So if we do that, just click on that and give it a little bit more space, you should find now that that will immediately give us, there we go, that's cleared that. Everything else looks like everything can be seen. So let's just go back to the design view and let's put a proper title in, so we can simply just edit this label here. And there you are. So immediately looks pretty good. Now you could, if you wish, put your background onto these. You do that in exactly the same way as you have done before. So by just going to the property sheet. However, it tends to be that reports don't look as good when you put your background on, because there's normally a lot more text on it. So you might want to have a look at that and make a few decisions. But there you go. It's a very simple report. Looks pretty good. And obviously by grouping it by genre, it's formatted it quite nicely automatically on the page for you.